Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the latest and most honest insights into the products you're curious about. Today we're checking out the Starfrit Personal Blender in Sage. Whether you're blending smoothies, shakes, or even salsas, this compact blender promises to make your prep time quicker and more convenient. But does it live up to expectations? Let's see what this budget-friendly option has to offer. The Starfrit Personal Blender comes with a 300 watts motor, which is designed to deliver the power you need for a smooth blend. It features two stainless steel blades that are built to cut through your ingredients with ease, whether you're working with soft fruits or tougher greens. What really makes this blender stand out, though, is its two 828mm tumblers, complete with carrying lids. These are perfect for anyone who's on the go and needs to take their smoothie or protein shake with them. You'll also find 3 distinct speed modes: high, low, and pulse. This gives you some flexibility in how you blend depending on the task at hand. It's a no-frills design, but with some thoughtful touches that could make it a great choice for those who prioritize simplicity and functionality. In terms of usability, setting up the Starfrit Personal Blender is a breeze. The tumblers screw directly onto the base, and the controls couldn't be easier to figure out. Once it's all set up, you can get started by selecting your preferred speed or pulse mode. The blender also comes with a cup detection safety feature, meaning it won't run unless the tumbler is securely attached. This is a nice touch, especially for those who worry about safety. On the practical side, the non-slip feet ensure the blender stays put during operation. No worrying about it moving around on your countertop. It also boasts an all-dishwasher-safe design and BPA-free materials, which make it super easy to clean after you're done. When putting it to the test, I found that the blender performs quite well within its limits. On the high setting, it easily blended frozen fruits and leafy greens into a smooth, consistent texture. I tested it on a smoothie with kale, banana, and frozen berries. It took just a few seconds to get everything well blended without any major chunks left over. However, when it came to something like blending ice cubes or harder vegetables, I noticed the blender struggled a bit. The low setting worked well for soft fruits, but was a bit slow for tougher blends. On pulse mode, it gave a good burst of power when I needed it, but overall, I'd say this blender is best for light to medium blending tasks, rather than heavy-duty ones. As for the pros, there's quite a bit to like about this blender. First, the convenience of the 2 tumblers with carrying lids is a major win. If you're the kind of person who needs to take your smoothies on the go, this feature is a game changer. The 300 watts motor, while not the most powerful on the market, gets the job done for most everyday blending tasks. It's also great that it's dishwasher safe and made from BPA-free materials, making cleaning a lot easier and safer. The compact design is a nice touch as well. It doesn't take up much space on your kitchen counter, and you won't have to worry about clutter. On the flip side, the blender does have some limitations. As mentioned earlier, it struggles with tougher ingredients, especially when you're looking to blend ice or hard vegetables. This might not be the best choice if you're looking for something that can handle daily heavy-duty use. The motor is also on the weaker side, so if you're used to high-performance blenders, you might find this lacking. Another downside is that the cord isn't very long, which could limit where you can place the blender in your kitchen, especially if you don't have counter space right next to an outlet. When it comes to value for money, the Starfrit Personal Blender hits a solid sweet spot for those looking for a budget-friendly option. At its price point, you're getting a reliable and easy-to-use blender that covers the basics well. While it doesn't compare to higher-end models in terms of power or versatility, it's still a good choice for casual users or those who only need a blender for basic tasks like smoothies or shakes. Compared to similar options like the NutriBullet or the Ninja Nutri Pro, which are slightly more expensive, this blender does a decent job, though it won't be as powerful or long-lasting in the long run. In terms of build quality and longevity, the materials used in the Starfrit Personal Blender feel sturdy enough for everyday use. The BPA-free plastics and stainless steel blades are reliable and easy to maintain. Of course, since this is a budget blender, you might not expect the same level of durability as you'd get from higher-end models. However, for the price, it should last a reasonable amount of time with proper care. I wouldn't be too concerned about the blender falling apart with normal use, but it's not something you'd want to put through heavy daily use for years to come. When it comes to customer support, there's not much to report. The blender hasn't needed any customer service interactions, and from what I can gather, Starfrit generally has a decent reputation for handling inquiries. If you need to reach out, expect fairly standard support in terms of response time and helpfulness. So what's the final verdict? The Starfrit Personal Blender offers a great entry-level option for those who need a simple and easy-to-use blender for light blending tasks. It shines in its portability, with the included tumblers and lids making it ideal for people on the go. While it's not going to blow you away with its power or versatility, it gets the job done for everyday smoothies and shakes. It's perfect for casual users who don't need a high-end, multi-purpose blender. If you're after something with more power for tougher ingredients or ice, this might not be your best bet. But for the price, it offers solid value, especially if you just need a quick, hassle-free blender for soft ingredients. Thanks for watching, and if you're considering the Starfrit Personal Blender, make sure to check out the link in the comments box below. If you already own it, let us know what you think. Your experiences could help someone else decide if this blender is right for them. Goodbye till next time, and remember, we're always bringing you the best reviews inside TV.